Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in Ubud, Bali. And since I'm away from Thailand, I think more than 2 months now, Australia trip, Bali trip is making me craving Thai food so bad. So today video we're gonna be doing review Thai restaurant in Ubud, Bali. Cause my experience when I go to different country and have Thai food, it does not taste like Thai food at all. Once I went to have in one restaurant in one country, it actually tastes nothing like Thai food and tastes horrible, but I'm not reviewing that. So I'm gonna be reviewing this. Alright, and the area that I'm staying, they have a lot of Thai food around me. So I'm gonna choose the place that close to me the most, which is Warung Siam Ubud. Yeah, Thai food. I'm gonna click there, see how the review going. Oh my god, almost 5 stars. Okay. What time is open? The most important is what time is open. Okay, it's open now. And what they're having, they have khao pat, which means fried rice. They have pad thai. I hope this place is good. So that let's see the review how it's going. Oh my god, there's so many like people that give 5 stars. So it's it's 4.5 star reviews, almost 5-star restaurant. So hopefully this is not bad. Okay, I saw some review from Thai said it's the only place in this area that the taste of the Thai food still like the same, not different from Thailand, and they give a lot of food. It's cheap price. Okay, from my hotel to this restaurant it take about 9-minute walk. It's like 2. So let's see you at the restaurant. Okay, and now we are in front. How can I not see it? It's like huge elephant over there. The road is quite big. Let's go inside.
Hello. Hi. Yes, have a seat.
Thank you. Okay, where would like to sit? Oh, what happened? You're too tall. I'm gonna tell them where I'm from. I'm gonna try if the food really tastes like Thai food. So the menu that we're gonna have, I'm gonna have like choose my favorite. Glass noodle salad, like I eat all the time. So yam bun sen is called.
100 baht for some time.
Jesus. Okay, look at the menu, guys. So I'm gonna try some tam, and I'm gonna try yam bun sen. What you gonna have, baby?
Pad see ew.
Pad see ew, where is it? Cheese is my favorite. I do it all the time. Okay, alright, I'm gonna order. We'll see what we get. Yes, can I have pad see ew? Pad see ew and som tam. Okay.
Spicy or medium?
Medium spicy. It's som tam Thai, yeah? Okay, and yam bun sen.
This is spicy, like spicy?
I love spicy. Yeah, and you have khao niao, sticky rice.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and can I have sticky rice?
Sticky rice.
Yeah, 1 sticky rice.
Or the green one?
I'll have a Thai milk tea.
Me
One Thai
too.
milk tea.
2 Thai milk tea. Okay, thank you.
And for the food all together?
All together?
Yeah, all together.
2 Thai milk tea, 1 yam bun sen, 1 som tam Thai, and 1 pad see.
Yes,
Medium spicy.
and sticky rice.
1 sticky rice.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hopefully they don't know I'm from Thailand. Yeah, you're right. With that strong Thai accent, even a baby could tell you from Thailand side.
Sorry?
Hopefully they don't know I'm from Thailand. Cause this is the first time that I film in Thai food in a different country. Normally it tastes suck. Remember the one in that country when I order like fried noodle like noodle special pad kapao, and
But
it's like
that
so
wasn't
salty.
like a dedicated Thai restaurant. That was just like one Thai dish on the menu.
Oh yeah.
So you gotta give them a chance.
Well, okay, we're gonna see how the food tastes. Okay, now we got the Thai tea, and we will try if it tastes really like Thai tea. Got Thai tea over here. I had to be whispering. Holy,
Good?
so good, Charlie.
Try it. We'll see if it's better than the 7-Eleven Thai milk tea.
Because we don't really like sweet drink.
Ah, yeah, it's not too sweet.
And this is not too sweet, which is I normally order, so it's perfect.
Good. If you order this one in Thailand in the 7-Eleven, you ask for the like less sweet, man, you're
Still sweet.
your teeth hurt when,
still
when
like
you drink that.
less sweet. They're still like sweet.
Now, I would hate to see if you ask for sweet. I've never done that.
I once I don't order like any I don't tell them what to do, and it's very hurt my throat. Like,
Yeah, you gotta make sure. You gotta make sure of it, otherwise you're drinking a ton of sugar.
In Thailand, because when I used to work, we have the kind of like the tricycle in the area where I used to stay in my apartment. There's a tricycle that he sell like the drink like Thai tea and milk tea. He will usually put like 2 tablespoons of the sugar and then like 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and it's like a ton of like the milk on top again, which is a lot.
One of the cool things about this restaurant is like there's so many people like walking by, so you can just sit here and like people watch, which is pretty cool. It's tucked away in like a little alley, so you can just chill and watch the people walk by while you have your lunch. It's nice.
Alright, now we got all the food, my food that I ordered. This is one of my favorite, is glass noodle salad. They look exactly like how my mama used to make. Look at that. They look exactly like how my mom cook, and if this tastes good, it smells nice, it's gonna be amazing, unbelievable amazing. So they warned me that this will be spicy. The texture of the glass noodle is quite different from Thailand. Holy. It tastes exactly like how my mom made, and it's amazing. Maybe you wanna try? I don't like to eat like spicy food, like spicy sour, but this is so good. Look at that. Wow. The next dish is Som Tam Thai. Som Tam Thai is not supposed to be spicy, it's supposed to be sweet, sour, and a little bit salty. So let's try. Let's see.
Yes, welcome.
Wow.
Spicy on the side, yeah?
Thank you so much. The Som Tam Thai is so good. Wow. I'll have with sticky rice. Maybe you wanna try your pasiu. That it tastes like Thai or not? See? The fry is like so crispy, like that. It's kind of like an egg yolk. There. And the noodle is quite small. Normally pasiu we have like big noodle. It's very nice. On the side they have vinegar and some chili.
Where? I want to break this thing. Okay, hang on. You make it so hard, put it down.
Okay. I want you guys to see 10 years later.
Okay, let me try this one. Have a look.
Let me try. Good? I just wanna
It's
try.
a little bit different. They don't have like the thick noodle.
Yeah, they don't have the noodle
But
like
the
the
good
big
thing
one.
is it's like it's cleaner. It's not as oily. But the taste is good.
The taste is exactly the same like the pad see ew in Thailand. It's just the noodle different.
Yeah. So it's not as oily as well. It's
Same,
clean.
yeah, same like glass noodle. The noodle is different, but the noodle's more stickier, which is I normally love like when I eat glass noodles. So like I love like the noodle that sticky, like short like stickies. Okay, and it's spicy, but not too spicy. So if you wanna order this, just tell them like no spice, no chili. And the glass noodle in Thailand, they are, it depends on, they are quite different from the normal. Like this is like dry glass noodle salad. If you go on the street food and you order glass noodle salad, you're gonna see like a ton of juice, which is that one is like new style. But the on style is like the noodle must be dry and have like orange color with it, and much have like the nut with on top. Normally they would put like dry shrimp in, but this one didn't put in, but it's still amazing. So this is like original glass noodle salad. Okay, I'm gonna pay now. Hi, can I check bill please?
Yes, I will bring ya.
Okay, is this the chef Thai?
Yes.
Is the chef Thai?
Yes, for the Thai. For the cook is Balinese.
For the cook is Balinese?
Yes, Balinese.
What, the recipe from Thailand?
Yes, for the owner by Thailand.
Oh, the owner is Thai?
Yes. Yeah.
Is
And
she
the
here?
chef-
Is
No,
He or
the
she?
show. No, she.
it
Yeah.
tastes exactly like Thai food.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, so
you like?
I love it.
Yes,
I
thank
love
you.
it.
Yes, I
Thank
will
you
bring
so
ya.
much. Yeah. So there you go, guys. The restaurant is belong to the Thai owner, but the chef is Balinese. Yeah. So he might get the recipe from the owner. Oh my god, it's amazing. Tastes like Thai food. My from the scale to 10, the glass noodle salad I would give it 10 because it's like my mom recipe. She make this recipe, and for the som tam Thai tastes like Thai. If you give, I give it 10 too, depend on, because this is in a different country, the ingredient might be different, but make it so good like Thai food is not easy. I give it 10. But for the sticky rice and mango from Balinese is amazing, sweet. But khao niao moon sticky rice, I think must be like their recipe that it's not too sweet. So, but me myself, I like sticky rice sweet and rich in coconut. They're rich in coconut, but the sticky rice is not really that sweet. But if you eat together with the mango, is so good. So I give it 9 for the mango and sticky rice. And the sticky rice that I eat with som tam, some restaurant, even though Thai restaurant, the sticky rice is not soft, but this one's soft, and it's not easy to have like soft sticky rice. So I give it 10. Like me myself, I would recommend everybody to come in this restaurant, and I will come here again if I'm back to this area. Alright guys, and I just finished eat the lunch, which is amazing. From the scale 1 to 10, I give it 10. I'm actually gonna go into the Google and then recommend a lot of people there. And if you're interested, cause you know, like Thai people, they're always craving their Thai food all the time. If you're in a different country and you don't want to waste your time finding like bad Thai food. So if you come to Ubud, just come to that restaurant. It tastes amazing and tastes exactly like Thai food. And I'm gonna wrap up the video for today. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.